Hello student, welcome to Standard 9th Political Science. Let us begin lesson 2, that is India's foreign policy. What are we going to learn in this chapter? We have got introduced to the international system and its nature and the Cold War in the last century and its effect. We shall now get introduced to other related issues. Thus, we shall learn about the meaning of foreign policy, factors that make an impact on it, and the nature of India's foreign policy. So, my dear student, let us learn India's foreign policy. Foreign policy, meaning and importance. All the countries are member of international system. So we know that after the World War II, United Nations was established, and more or less all the nations of the world are member of this United Nations. So we are in this way connected to international system. We have already studied that none of these countries is completely self-reliant, and hence there is mutual interdependence in the international system. No one is self-sufficient in real sense. We are dependent on each other for something or the other reason. For example, we are dependent on Arabian nations for the crude oil, petroleum products, gases, etc. On the other hand, the European nations are dependent on us for spices, then for tea. So in this way we are interdependent on each other. Only this interdependence should not be of benefit to a few countries. So only few countries should benefit, other countries should not benefit. That is not considered as interdependent. So entire world should benefit from it. Efforts need to be made to ensure that it benefits every nation. So efforts is been made so that everyone enjoys, everyone get the benefit of interdependence. Each country has to decide the nations with which it should be friendly, in which bloc it should participate, or what position it should take in international relation. Everything depends on that particular country, where how much it has to take part in it. Such decisions should be made thoughtfully. So we have to make very carefully, thoughtfully such decision. The theoretical framework in which such decisions are taken is called foreign policy. So where we have to take decision, what position we are going to have in the international system, and where we have to block certain things. So in this way we are thoughtfully taking the decisions. Such theoretical framework in which such decisions are taken is considered as foreign policy. Every sovereign and interdependent country decides its own foreign policy. Sovereign country means the country which is ruled by their own people. No external power is ruling them. No outside country is ruling them. Like India, we had Britishers who were ruling us for quite a long time, near about 150 years. So at that time, we were dependent on British. But now we are independent. We are free from their rule. So every sovereign and independent country decides its own foreign policy. So we are independent, so we have to decide our foreign policy. Hence, in the discipline of international politics, which studied the international relation between nations, foreign policy has an important place. So hence it is the discipline of international politics which studies the international relation between the nation. Foreign policy has an important place in this. So in this way, every nation has to decide their own policy and it plays an important part. Do you know, when we have to study a country, it is necessary to understand its constitution and its foreign policy. So both are important. Constitution is important and its foreign policy. So from that we know what is the framework, what is the ideology of the nation, what is where the nation is moving, and what sort of government it has. So all this is important in the study of any particular country. So my dear student, that's all for time being. We have just got introduced to the foreign policy. We try to understand what is foreign policy. Now in the next lecture we are going to study national interest. Slowly we will come to know how the foreign policy acts, how very important it is for a nation. So till then, goodbye and have a nice time.